In a single year, there are approximately 5 billion package downloads from the Anaconda repository. And more than 30 million users choose Anaconda distribution to power their data science and AI workflows. Why is Anaconda the world's most popular data science platform? Simply put, Anaconda can help anyone harness the power of open source for competitive advantage, groundbreaking innovation, and a better world. Whether you're just getting started with data science or looking to streamline workflows, reduce your organization's exposure to software security vulnerabilities, or deliver value, no matter where you are or what industry you're in, Anaconda answers your challenges with tools that offer convenience, ease of use, security, governance, and stability. Did you know that the top 10 Fortune-ranked finance companies and the top 10 Fortune-ranked technology companies use Anaconda? And 100% of Ivy League schools teach using Anaconda in their curriculum? From automotive manufacturers to energy companies to airlines and retail, businesses benefit from Anaconda's package and environment management capabilities, robust repositories, advanced security features, and more. In addition, through Anaconda Embedded, companies can partner with us to use Anaconda behind the scenes to power their products and drive business growth. At Anaconda, we're focused on fostering the community that has made us what we are today. In addition to making monetary donations to open source projects, we've created Anaconda Nucleus, a free community platform where our users can access educational resources, troubleshoot issues, and connect with others. Versatile, integrated, powerful, convenient. Anaconda delivers serious technology for real data science and ML applications. To find out for yourself why Anaconda is the go-to choice for open source data science, visit anaconda.com.